I can't see it.
Gone. Looking brown there, mate. Yeah, about itself. You've got to go out now. No. You've got the best of both worlds with that. That's ballistic and it'll turn.
Yeah. Huh?
Rescue Dan. You can.
Hey! I'll give it a need to make sure it's empty. Not.
Oh, come on, sink.
What's the bounce in that for?
Just the bog standard one that come with it.
Is that 6S?
Yeah. No, it's got 3 blades on it. They said it'd be a bit crap off acceleration, but once it's wound up.
Will it do a sustained turn?
What, flat out?
Not flat out, just like drop, keep it on the plane, but turn it down. Yeah, do that. Oh,
Has that got self-right on it?
No. That's why I got a fishing rod. You sorted?
I think so. We'll find out now.
Fucking hell. Is that him, Dan?
One speed. Back out.
Dead chuffed.
Should be.
Oh, hold on.
Great performance and bloody bargain as well. You were all the while. Yeah.
If you look closely, you can see the water coming out the side of mine.
Yeah. You can. Yeah, you see it properly.
See it coming out the side?
It does reverse! Is it right, yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a go. Hold on then.
Hold on. Let's bring it over here.
Where we go? Where we go?
Like over here, straight up. Bring it here. Just wait for that weight to settle, because mine will start jumping and dancing. Let's turn it round.
What's it like off the mark? What are they on the meter?
Huh?
What's it like off the mark? Like when you...
That's what I'm gonna do now.
We're going to find out now. Race.
We're just waiting for
Get a
the.
video.
Just waiting for the barge to turn around.
Yeah, if I go slightly quick, it just submarines.
We've got a hand warmer.
Right, sorry. Right, you ready? Hold on, let's get
Alright,
that.
let's get mine straight.
Hang on. Wait.
Ready?
It's that race.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on, I've got to get level first. Someone call it.
3, 2, 1, go!
5 miles. I want to know though.
Paul's catching up with that.
Can't grumble.
Don't have it, isn't it?
I've lost signal.
Hey! That makes me the winner because the race was back.
Mine went fucking further. Here we go, we're good.
Here we go.
Who's going for a swim then?
Sam? That turns right. Isn't it?
Doesn't look like that.
That is. We haven't got a GPS, have we?
No, not. The GPS was last seen attached to the back of a Typhoon.
Had a smashing sign. That's what I do need to get from one of mine, one of the low voltage blinker warnings.
I've got one. You can put it inside the boat, can't you? I suppose.
I desperately need to get one.
It's like a balance check.
I suppose I should check it.
That's it, yeah.
On beach. On beach. It'll be the fin.
I've got to be careful because I've got a breakaway on the prop.
400 quid in the river. Oh, go on. Oh shit!
He's drove that in the bush, hasn't he?
Yeah, that was. I thought I had loads of room, and then it disappeared behind the bush.
Yeah.
As soon as Paul's on, it becomes the rescue.
There ain't no rescuing that from the water, I don't think. You're going to find that on the bank, I reckon.
You can hear it when I'm doing the reverse, so I think the propeller's out of the water. That turns so nice.
I cannot believe.
I need a cat as well now.
I mean, I don't believe any of us are bloody experts, but the difference between just as bloody newbies looking at them, it's bloody distinct.
They're fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
If I'd have brought mine tonight, I'd have got killed by Will. He says, because he was like, where are you going? I'm flying in the light. I'm going to go and watch the boat. Are you taking ours? You're taking ours, Dad. Like, look at it.
Ah!
Got it. It's in the field. It's in the field.
Point it out again! Point it out again! Yeah, we'll put it in the fucking Call yourself a friend, hurry up. The batteries are draining.
Turn it off, quick, turn it off.
There was definitely a perspective issue there.
I thought it was because you were talking
I
to
thought I was
us.
turning fine, and then all of a sudden it disappeared behind the bush. I was like, that was not going in the direction I thought it was.
You should have just claimed it was a glitch.
I think I've just tested the breakaway. Yeah, it has. It's worked. Yeah, it's worked like it's supposed to.
Has it broke the breakaway screw's gone?
Yeah.
Well, at least, yeah, it's done its job.
At least it's worked. Yeah. And they've done the same as you then, just a spray. You can't see your boat, can you?
You lose perspective
Yeah.
when it's that far away. I thought I was turning fine. Has anybody disappeared behind the bush?
It's gone.
That's not quite right, that isn't. Something wrong here. These boats are great.
Mate, awesome.
Absolutely brilliant. Perfect summer RC of it.
Yeah,
I need a cap though as well now. They turn phenomenal.
yeah.
Ooh! It's not just the hydros that are prone, but at least yours landed.
That was turning flat out.
Was it?
Yeah. Hold on, who's driving? Hold on, Phil. Hold on, Phil. Let's have a drag.
Oh, a three-way drag race. One of us and back you there.
Phil, why is it leaning?
It's because of the. It's because of the.
10-second dead start.
Go on then.
3, 2, 1, go!
Tell you what, Danny boy, we're not far behind.
Oh, my battery's gone. Hold on.
Here we go. Here we're coming. We're coming. We're coming.
There we go.
Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Here we go. Here we go.
Gee, I'll tell you what, Phil.
Right.
Phil, look, there's an orange one out there, look.
Yes. Nervous as hell.
We return the favour now, Phil.
Hey Paul, next time we're coming, I'm putting the other propeller on there.
I can't compete with you on turning. He causes too much wake, he does.
Doing it on purpose now.
sitting there like this.
Orange boat, orange boat! Jesus Christ. We need a safe zone.
Another lake.
Yeah. Oh!
I'm expecting it to roll it onto the bank. Yeah, I don't fancy that with the propeller spinning it right.
That's too choppy, man. It's too choppy. He's boat, that is.
I'm buying one of them kits now.
They do call this the basher boat.
Look at the water in the middle of the lake now.
Have a look.
Bill! Jesus! Yeah! Bloody hooligan. I'm bringing mine in. Who invited him?
And again.
He's just wrecking the lake for everybody.
Wait till Phil's on here as well.
Damn, we need to find a new lake.
I'm going over there, we go.
God.
We need glass. Look at this now. It's like whitewater rapids.
Swirl it up. Chop it up in it and then get through the middle of it. It's done its job, innit? The old writing.
It works, that is
Yes.
a brilliant feature.
It is when you just go clockwise at 51 an hour for about 10 minutes. It's 2 flips, man. The second flip was off one of your wakes.
The weight is
It's nice, isn't it?
look, the black, that, the colour, it looks fantastic.
Does the odd jump?
Good for the money, though. 235.
235, yeah.
With the
Really
batteries
good
and
for the
that.
money.
Yeah.
After the cheeky 200. So come back at 220. That Miss G-Co or whatever it was went for 230. Geico, yeah. Went for 230.
Oh, hold on, let me get mine back in.